How's it going, guys? My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and today I'm going to be telling you about a herb that I know so many of you absolutely love. It really is a kitchen garden classic. Today I'm going to be talking to you about French Tarragon. We get so many inquiries about French Tarragon. It is such a popular herb. It's the typical herb, isn't it, that you do a recipe and the recipe says throw in a little bit of French Tarragon. When have you ever got French Tarragon in your cupboard? We certainly don't. It's a good job we've got a tunnel full of it, right? French Tarragon is such a kitchen garden classic. It's surprisingly easy to grow as well if you follow a few bits of advice. Firstly, French Tarragon likes quite dry, free draining conditions. It really doesn't like to sit with its roots wet over the course of the winter. That is really important. So nice free draining soil is absolutely vital. It doesn't like to be cold as well, so if you can keep the frost off it, that is really important. This is French Tarragon. You will also find Russian Tarragon available. Now, Russian Tarragon is really easy to grow. It's really hardy, it's really easy to grow. So why are we growing French Tarragon? Well, the flavour of French Tarragon is far superior. You grow tarragon for that strong, bold, aniseed flavour, and Russian Tarragon doesn't have that. French Tarragon is not as easy to grow as Russian Tarragon, but the flavour makes it so worth growing. Plant this variety in free draining soil or in a pot with really good drainage. We pot it up with a bit of grit just to help the water soak away. Keep the frost off it. At least cover it. Keep the frost off it. A cold greenhouse would be ideal, but you really don't want this to go too cold over the winter. French Tarragon will also benefit from regular pruning. That's really important because this plant will get very leggy very quickly. So just bunch the plant together and snip the top third on a regular basis. That's going to give you so much delicious flavour to use in the cooking that evening. Hopefully it will inspire you to cook something using French Tarragon. What can you use French Tarragon for in the kitchen? Well, the aniseed flavour makes it perfect with so many dishes. With fish, with chicken, or with egg dishes. We love putting tarragon with fried eggs. It's really delicious. Our favourite recipe with French Tarragon has to be the classic tarragon chicken. Absolutely love tarragon chicken. In terms of flavour, the aniseed comes through really strongly. It is such a strong licorice aniseed flavour. I could eat this all day. Absolutely love French Tarragon. My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and I've just introduced you to the fantastic and wonderful French Tarragon. Hopefully you've been inspired to grow this amazing herb and put it in some delicious chicken or egg dishes over the next few weeks. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel already, please do so. Follow us on Instagram and fire us a message. Let us know what you thought of this video. Until next time, speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye.